Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on electric coffee grinder, coffee bean blade grinders, stainless steel blade, small and portable and compact. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Lovimelao coffee grinder provides professional coffee beans grinding experience. Keep the original rich aroma and oil of the coffee bean. Doesn't produce excessive friction heat to spoil the flavor of coffee beans. Keep the original rich aroma and oil of the coffee bean. 10 seconds to get a cup of coffee, especially suitable for hurrying in the morning or when tired. Food-grade stainless steel blade and bowl make coffee grinder reliable, more safety and healthier, no harmful substances mixed into the bowl. Press the button to start working. The electric coffee grinder is smaller size for you to take it anywhere, home, office. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.